All right, Louis Borsellino, Man Over Market, and this is the E-mini wrap up for February 12th. Well, if you could see a picture of me, you would see a picture of me with egg on my face. I mean, today I basically said that I thought the market was going to pull back into this area and that it would struggle to go up and make new highs. It was relentless after 10:30. That was it. This little pullback. It was relentless, nonstop, drone, low volume buying, gave us no chance at a trade. There was nothing, nothing. And so someone asked me if we should go short based on Greek and whatever. And I said, look, this kind of buying to me is telling me there's some news out there and these insiders got it. And, it may start trading as soon as these people disappear. It might trade, get some liquidity and trade up and down. But this is telling me we're still going for the highs. I mean, it was unbelievable. I mean, the mode didn't switch until the end of the day, so it actually stayed down at the mode was down at like 2076 all day, and then at the end of the day, the mode switched up here. So here's a profile. At the end of the day, with the volume, it closed on its highs at 2083.75. Um, I've been bullish. I thought it was a little overdone. The Nasdaq stayed positive all day. Egg on my face, people. Egg on my face. We'll see what happens going in tomorrow. I don't expect much, and this really has been a very difficult trade because of the low volume and the participation on one side. So very difficult. So we're still looking to take out the all-time highs, which are up here at 88.60. 88.60. Take a look at, excuse me, just clicking on the wrong button there. Let's take a look at, here's an ES day profile. We've got a gap in here now, down to 70 half. There's a gap. And closed up here on its highs. We got this gap. So I don't know what to tell you. It when it trades like this, it's so disheartening because we show up to play the game and we can't play the game when all these other knuckleheads are doing what they're doing. So called oil today. We said oil would be bullish. We had a bullish trend on oil. Rallied up to about 51 and a half. So from down out of here, so you got about a $2.50 range. You closed 220 higher on the day. Um, Back to egg. I thought negative bias in the bonds. Well, I said we could sell rallies. I mean, the bonds closed down in here, but you know, it could have been okay if you were selling rallies up in here when it got outside of value, closed back down inside here. And then gold, we were at a bullish outlook. There's been a report that the world central banks are buying gold at um, alarming rates. So I don't know what that's about. I guess if you're having what do you call it? Found economic sound or sound economic principles. Why are you buying gold? I don't know. All right, 57 trillion. 57 trillion. That's how much money they've printed. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow. Not expecting a lot overnight, and I'll talk to you soon.